B-rolling. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Petrol Box December box. Let's see what we got. Here we go, the Christmas box. Nice special thank you for the support. Looks like we got a lower lifestyle wheel shirt, some more Jack's wax spray and seal. That'd be cool. And we got something from Grip-On Tools. And looks like we got a ornament, organ ornament, and another something from Rag Company. Let's open it up. Oh, there we go, another Microsoft towel. You can always use those. It's come in handy. Oh, cool. We got a Rider of the Month. Got a Jeep Wrangler. Got Anthony. I can't see the name. It's kind of dark. Got a Jeep Wrangler magnet. That's sweet. That's why we got some candy cane candy. I'm always late now. It's already January. I'll have to eat that today. Oh, this must be the ornament. Check it out. It's a Porsche. That's pretty cool. Got Petrol Box on there. 2018. Have to hang it on a tree next year. Oh, check that out. It's almost like brass knuckles. That's pretty cool. 3/8. Heavy duty. That's pretty cool. You can put some sockets in there. That's pretty cool. That comes in handy, especially if you're going to, if you ever go to junkyards and that, that'd be great. Put your stuff in here. There's some sockets. That'd work out great. Got your spray nozzle. Oh yeah, there we go. Jack Wax. Spray and seal. Look at that, it's purple. Like my charger. I was actually looking at this before Christmas on Jack Wax website on this product. I was thinking of buying it, but I'm glad I didn't, because it looks like I got it. I have to try this out this spring. Jack Wax. Spray and seal. This will almost be like a wax and a sealant. Let's see. Yeah, it's a polymer technology to protect paint. So it's probably got a wax and a little bit of sealant into it. Most likely Cabre polymer. And we got a t-shirt. Check that out. Oh, it's wrapped up. Alright, let me open it up and see what we got. Wheels. BBS. That's pretty cool. Man, it's nice. So must be a company that makes. Oh man, I'm all messed up. I'll lay it right here. Lord Lifestyle. Check that out. Some sweet wheels there. That's a t-shirt. Came out pretty nice. I like the quality of t-shirts too. They feel nice and smooth. So, well, that's pretty much it for this month. Got a cool t-shirt. Got some more detailing stuff we could try out. Some cool tool things for your socket. Got it Rider of the Month. Candy and ornament. Been a good month, so that's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, right now I canceled my subscription of Petrol Box. I want to try to save some money, and I like to get a new camera for the channel, so I'm gonna cancel that, and I might get it again. But I've been pretty happy trying out the Petrol Box for the last few months. You get some cool stuff, especially you get a nice T-shirt. You can wear it to anywhere. And what's nice, I was able to been getting a lot of detail stuff from the box and using it on the channel. So that's what's nice. I still got other products to test out that I got. What do you guys think? Check that out. If you notice the kitchen, looking at it from the last Petrol Box video, the kitchen was different. You guys notice it? In the family room. Yeah, used to have a hutch there. I repainted the kitchen. Do a little span if you want to see the kitchen. Got to play my videos on a thing. Dog sleeping. Yep. Been busy painting. What do you guys think of my work? Did pretty good painting? Let me know. Tate does all the decorating. Tate can't take credit. I just hang the stuff. So I do all the work. she figures out where she wants. She should do that for a living. This is nice right here. She ordered that and had this made. That's pretty cool. This wasn't bought at some stores, found some website, and they make them for you, mail them from you. That's pretty good. Someone makes that in their garage and you get it mailed to you. That's pretty neat. So yeah, that's it. Just a quick video on Petrol Box real quick, try to catch up. Yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys, and you guys have a great night.